Hola, la canción que voy a interpretar a continuación es House of the Rising Sun. La versión que interpretaré es de Eric Burdon y Los Animals. Espero te guste. There is a house in New Orleans. They call the rising sun. It has been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. She stole my blue new jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. And the only thing to get their needs he's a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he is satisfied is when he saw the trunk.